Hello everyone, this is Charles Bridgtec with another flashlight review, this time on an EagleEye X7R. Now I was sent this flashlight by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review it. Comes in this plain white box, nothing to it, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in. Comes with a lanyard here and an extra set of O-rings in there. Comes with a micro USB charging cable. Now it doesn't have any kind of manual or anything, but let's take a look at the light. Just a straightforward design. It's kind of nice. Really nice machining on this light. Show you there. Now this is running a smooth reflector with a Cree XPL V6 LED. Really nice machining on this. Knurling on this is nice. It's rough. Help you get a firm grip on that. Keep it from slipping out. Here's the charging port here for the micro USB. Pretty straightforward on that. Finish on this is kind of maybe a flat black. Does have a little bit of a gloss. Not much though. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you what cell I'm running. Show you the spring first there. And I'm running the AWT 26650. This is a 5200 milliamp on the wrapper, but it's only getting about 4600 milliamps, which is still pretty good. But when I bought them, I was really kind of bummed out. But in any case, still a high amp and very good performing battery. And we'll go ahead and show you down in the barrel there. Head doesn't come off on this. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the light back together and let's go to the UI. Now as you turn that on, it does have a battery level. This will turn red when it gets to about 50%, and it'll start blinking when it gets to about 25%. So it's kind of nice to have that little indicator there. Now when you turn it on, you can go through the regular level light outputs. There's no special modes on this light. And now press and hold that to turn it off. Now if you want to access moonlight, you just press and hold, and there's moonlight. And this is about 17 lumens. Just a little bit on the bright side, but nevertheless pretty nice. So you have to press and hold to get out of moonlight power switch. Now once you've done that, you can quickly turn that back on and go through the light outputs. Now if you want to get turbo of 1100 lumens, you just double click, and 1100 lumens. Wow. I'll show you the beam on this. Really nice hot spot there. Tight spill. Very nice. And to go back down through the UI, again, you can double click on any light output level to access the turbo, which is really nice. Press and hold that to turn it off, and that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward, simple to use. Definitely some very surprising quality on this. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the EagleEye X7R, and I'm going to start it off on low, and it's easily making that 35 feet. We'll try at 60 foot here. It's making 60 feet with these. Got a nice Kelvin on this. More closer to 5K. Alright. We're going to go up to the next level here. Really nice wide beam on this. Spill, that is. Very nice. Not, well, it is faintly making that park, even at this level. That's impressed. Very impressive. And as you can see, the beam right there in the middle, tree line, fence line. I don't know how wide that spill is. Alright, so we're going to go up to the next level with this here. Look at that come alive. Very impressed for the price on this. Not real expensive. That's really nice. More of a budget light. Look at that. Making it across the parks there. And it is making that tree out there faintly. Not quite enough light output yet, but easily can make that 130 feet. 135 feet actually, sorry. And we'll pan over here. A lot of ice on the ground today. And then we're going to go back. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the highest output. If I can get it back on there, I had to double click. And there's turbo. Look at that. Not bad at all. Making that across the park. Very nice. Got some pretty good throwing range on here. Tree line. Nice and bright. Nice spill. Very usable. Very impressed with this. And it is making it across that area, and that's quite a ways out. This color temperature is really nice. 5,000 K. And it is faintly making the palm trees. Farthest one, no, it's not doing too well on that one, but not bad at all. I like this beam. Color temperature is really nice. Brings out all the leaves and the grass colors. Really nice. Alright, we're going to end the shot on this tree line, fence line. Really nice on that. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Man, this is really surprising. This thing has got some really good throwing power. Beam is nice. Very surprising. I had never heard of this brand, so this is my very first EagleEye to come across my testing board. So really nice to see companies coming out that with affordable lights that perform very well. That being with the 26650 cell in here, you're going to get some really good run times on here. It being USB rechargeable is always a plus. Really easy to use, nothing very hard. Make a great gift idea for mom, pops. Really nice. So again, I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this to review. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.